Ready to supercharge your nerves? From brain-boosting fatty fish to memory-enhancing blueberries, get set to ignite your neurons and fuel your intelligence. Let's dive into a world where taste meets mental titanism. Number 10. Salmon. Salmon, a fatty fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, stands as a nutritional powerhouse for supporting nerve health. Omega-3s play a critical role in maintaining the integrity of nerve cell membranes, facilitating efficient communication between nerve cells, and reducing inflammation within the nervous system. These essential fatty acids have been linked to improved cognitive function and a decreased risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Regular consumption of salmon can contribute to enhanced nerve signaling, potentially enhancing overall neural health and resilience. Number 9. Blueberries. Blueberries, often hailed as a brain berry, are a remarkable superfood renowned for their positive impact on nerve health. Packed with a potent combination of antioxidants, such as anthocyanins and vitamin C, blueberries help combat oxidative stress that can damage nerve cells over time. These antioxidants also have the potential to improve blood flow to the brain, enhancing oxygen and nutrient delivery to nerve cells. Additionally, the presence of flavonoids in blueberries is thought to promote cognitive function and memory retention, making them a delicious and effective addition to a nerve-boosting diet. Number 8. Spinach. Spinach, a nutrient-dense leafy green, plays a crucial role in nurturing nerve health due to its rich content of magnesium and folate. Magnesium, often referred to as nature's relaxant, helps regulate nerve transmission and muscle function, aiding in stress reduction and maintaining nerve signaling efficiency. Folate, a B vitamin, is essential for nerve cell development, repair, and the synthesis of neurotransmitters that facilitate communication between nerve cells. Including spinach in your diet provides a dual benefit of promoting both nerve cell structure and optimal nervous system function, contributing to overall neural well-being. Number 7. Avocado. Avocado, celebrated for its creamy texture and heart-healthy fats, holds a special place in promoting nerve health. Its monounsaturated fats not only support cardiovascular health but also provide a steady supply of energy to nerve cells. Furthermore, avocados contain vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that shields nerve cells from oxidative stress and helps maintain their structural integrity. This combination of healthy fats and protective nutrients contributes to a nourished nervous system, potentially enhancing the overall resilience and functionality of your nerves. Number 6. Walnuts. Walnuts, with their distinct brain-like appearance, are a fitting addition to a nerve-boosting diet due to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Omega-3s, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, play a pivotal role in nurturing nerve cell membranes and supporting optimal nerve function. The antioxidants present in walnuts, including vitamin E and polyphenols, counteract free radicals that can cause damage to nerve cells and contribute to neurodegenerative processes. By incorporating walnuts into your diet, you're providing your nervous system with essential nutrients that contribute to its vitality and potentially safeguarding against nerve-related concerns. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff and upcoming videos. Number 5. Turmeric. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice, holds a potent compound called curcumin that offers significant potential for promoting nerve health. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a valuable component in supporting nerve cells against damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. Its ability to cross the blood-brain barrier suggests that it may directly influence brain health and neural function. Regular consumption of turmeric or curcumin supplements has been associated with improvements in cognitive function and protection against neurodegenerative diseases. Number 4. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, often considered a delightful indulgence, also holds a place in promoting nerve health. Rich in flavonoids, dark chocolate boasts antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can contribute to protecting nerve cells from damage. These compounds have the potential to enhance blood flow to the brain, facilitating nutrient delivery and waste removal, thereby supporting optimal nerve function. Additionally, dark chocolate contains small amounts of caffeine and theobromine, which can offer mild cognitive benefits. While enjoying dark chocolate in moderation, preferably with higher cocoa content, can be a flavorful way to include nerve-boosting nutrients in your diet. It's important to remember that excessive consumption can lead to unwanted health effects, so moderation is key. Number 3. Broccoli. Broccoli stands out as a nutritional powerhouse for brain health due to its rich combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It contains high levels of compounds such as sulforaphane, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties. Additionally, the presence of vitamin K in broccoli supports cognitive function by aiding in the formation of sphingolipids, a type of fat that is crucial for maintaining the integrity of brain cells. Number 2. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, often referred to as pepitas, offer a compact yet potent package of nutrients that can positively impact brain function. These seeds are a rich source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in nerve transmission and synaptic plasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and learn. In addition, pumpkin seeds provide essential iron, which supports the delivery of oxygen to brain cells, aiding in their proper function. The zinc content in these seeds further contributes to cognitive health by participating in neurotransmitter regulation. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet as a snack or topping can be a flavorful and convenient way to nurture your brain's well-being. Number 1. Whole grains. Whole grains, encompassing a range of foods like brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat, and oats, are integral to supporting brain function through sustained energy release. These complex carbohydrates provide a steady supply of glucose, the brain's primary source of energy, which is essential for maintaining focus and cognitive clarity. Moreover, the fiber present in whole grains supports a healthy gut microbiome, fostering a connection between gut and brain health. Rich in B vitamins such as thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin, whole grains play a role in converting food into energy and contribute to the overall metabolic health that influences brain function. That's a wrap on our brain-boosting adventure, explorers. We've delved deep into the universe of superfoods that can supercharge your mind and elevate your cognitive game. Remember, unlocking your full nerve power is a holistic journey that combines these superfoods with exercise, sleep, and mindfulness. If you found this journey as exhilarating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-expanding content, and share your own experiences with these superfoods in the comments below. Until next time, keep nourishing your brain and embracing the infinite possibilities of your mental prowess. Stay sharp, stay curious, and keep rocking that unstoppable brain power.